Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. I love to make a video on fashion, style and lifestyle. So if you like those content, then please be a part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to follow me in my Instagram account, Sabina K Stone. I'm trying to take all full advantage of the circumstances and trying to be positive and productive. As you see here that I'm trying to clean my closet. I do have a very small closet and my husband we have to share our closet, and I'm trying to put all my winter clothes and trying to take all my spring and summer clothes out from the box. And since our closet is so small, what I have to do is that I have to put all my jackets and sweaters, everything inside the box. And you see that in my right side is my husband's side and the left side is my side, and I have a little drawer outside. I put some of my clothes outside, and most of the things I put in a box and it goes under my bed or out of the closet. It's not fun, right, to live in a small space, but the most important part is that I'm very happy living with my husband. The space doesn't matter right now because I'm just so happy. I have a great life and I have a great husband. That's all matters. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to take full advantage of this time because usually we always complain that we don't have time and we are so busy in our life. Right now, this time we all are staying home. I'm working from home and I'm trying to make productive, working out. That's how my days are. Every day I clean, work out, and cook and work, and that's how my days go. So here it is. You guys notice that my apartment is so dark. I do not like it. We are moving out from here and I can't wait for that. After I clean my house, I just sit down and do my work, and I have to finish some of the work. If you guys see me in my phone, doesn't mean that I'm looking into Instagram. I'm actually working. I'm trying to reply all the emails and text and with our team and thinking. Anyways, I'm drinking a lot of water too, and at that I'm trying to take full advantage of this time. So drinking a lot of water and trying to be so productive and just happy. Did you guys see that we have a big, huge, beautiful park outside? And I'm so thankful and grateful for this view. I love to sit down outside in my patio, look outside, and enjoy this view. I'm very grateful for that. Look at this park. People bring their dogs here, and I love watching those different dogs. Workout is my important part of the day. I try to follow my Orange Theory workout. I'm so thankful that they send every morning new different workout. So I just follow that and I work out every day. I have been doing 7 days of workout. And also sometimes if I don't want to do the Orange Theory, I just in YouTube, and there are tons of different workout. I'm just incorporating all different kind of workout in my daily life right now, and I'm really enjoying that. If you guys have not started working out, don't make excuse. Just do it. You don't have to pay anything. No meal plans, no workout plan. Just search in YouTube. YouTube is the best things. You can find everything on free. Just keep doing it. After a very busy day of cleaning and working, it's time for cook, and I'm trying to cook something green vegetables, and okra is my husband's favorite green vegetables. So I'm cooking okra. Did you guys see this small spice box? I love this box. I can put all my spices and it's very easy. It's everything in one box. I brought this box from Nepal. I am putting all garlic powder, salt, pepper, and my Nepali spices in my okra. I noticed that most of our vegetables are getting bad, so I'm thinking to cook cabbage and some kales and also some ground turkey. I'm trying to utilize all my green vegetables so that's way I don't have to waste and throw it away. Time like this, I don't want to waste any food and vegetables because right now it's so hard to go outside and I don't want to send my husband every time to the grocery store to buy fruit and vegetables because I don't want him to expose too much outside either. So I'm trying to use all my vegetables, throwing it away. And I love cabbage. Do you guys like cabbage? It's almost ready. After that, I'm gonna cook my cabbage, and I will add some kales inside that cabbage because I noticed that my kales doesn't look that happy either. It start looking kind of sad. So I'm gonna use that too. And I'm going to put this okra here. I'm gonna use the same pan so I don't have to wash like 5 pans too. So yeah, that's for my dinner is okra, cabbage, some ground turkey for the dinner. I love kales, but last time when I was cleaning kales, I saw small bugs inside. After that, I don't know why I could not even eat kales. It's been a while that I haven't eaten kales, so I've been really looking in the leaves that if there is any small bugs or no. If I see the bugs or something, I can't eat it. So this kales looks very clean and nice. So I'm glad that there is no any bugs. Otherwise, I would never eat kales ever in my life. By the way, guys, I found some mushrooms inside the refrigerator. So I'm trying to add some mushrooms in that cabbage and kales. And I put a little bit of sesame oil. It gives a very good flavors. I put this oil at the end, so it gives a very delicious flavor. Here is my wonderful husband who always helped me in the kitchen. You are the best husband. Dinner is almost ready. After we cook dinner, we love to eat together and then we love to watch our Netflix series or movie together to wind down. I hope you guys like this video. If you like so, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. Stay safe and healthy. I love you guys.